Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cloud computing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how it all works, we're here to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand and engaging. So, what exactly is cloud computing? At its core, cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services like storage, processing power, and software over the internet, or the cloud. This means you can access your data and applications from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. No more worrying about losing important files if your computer crashes. The cloud keeps your information safe and secure. One of the most significant advantages of cloud computing is its flexibility. Businesses can scale their resources up or down based on their needs. For instance, if a company experiences a sudden surge in demand, they can quickly increase their cloud resources without the need for expensive hardware upgrades. This adaptability is a game changer, especially for startups and small businesses looking to grow without breaking the bank. Security is another crucial aspect of cloud computing. Many cloud service providers invest heavily in advanced security measures to protect your data. They often employ encryption, regular backups, and multi-factor authentication to ensure that your information remains safe from unauthorized access. While no system is entirely foolproof, the cloud can offer a level of security that many individual users and small businesses might struggle to achieve on their own. Now, let's talk about the different types of cloud services available. There are three primary models: infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, allowing users to rent servers and storage. PaaS offers a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Lastly, SaaS delivers software applications over the internet, eliminating the need for installation and maintenance on individual devices. As we embrace this digital age, cloud computing is becoming increasingly integral to our daily lives. From storing family photos to running complex business operations, the cloud is transforming how we interact with technology. It's not just about convenience, it's about empowering individuals and organizations to innovate and thrive. In conclusion, cloud computing is a powerful tool that offers flexibility, security, and scalability. Whether you're looking to enhance your personal tech experience or streamline your business operations, understanding the cloud is essential. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of technology. We appreciate your support and can't wait to share more with you soon.